It's a small circle. First I'm going to increase and then I'm going to decrease. And what it does, it creates a special fold, a unique fold. So to begin that, I started out with a circle. I'm using a size I9 crochet hook. And I'm using a worsted weight yarn called I Love This Yarn, available in hobby stores. So to begin this, starting with my mark, I'm just simply going to single crochet, circles flat, single crochet 2 in the same single crochet. It creates a special fold. Notice how it's starting to create, it's starting to ripple a little bit from the work. See, the original side is a straight, the work is starting to ripple a little bit. Keep working until the end of the round. The round is finished. Notice the ripple edges all around. That's going to change. Next is the decrease. Just simply insert hook. Next one, 3, yarn over, pull through 3. Just continue to do this until the end of the round. Starting to form a looser edge. Here's the completed circle with the decrease round. Now notice when you fold it under, the circle shape is still visible nicely. See what it does? Think of it like working on another plane. Here is a plane or a flat surface. Here's a different plane where it lies flat in a different direction. So this is an example to show you just a simple demonstration. Single crochet 1 in every single crochet stitch. What this does is just reinforces a new plane lying on a different direction surface. See how nice it looks? It makes the circle flat. It gives it a nice flatter surface than what I did if I would have just let it naturally curve. And there you have it.